Hey boo boo kitties, hey boo hey, what's good y'all? It's the girl with the guy's name 5 foot head gang, you know what I'm saying, and I'm back with another video teaching you how to edit and flex and slay all on your iPhone A, all on a budget A. And welcome to my bougie on a budget, or should I say bourgeois, because I teach my boo boo kitties in a homeless shelter, my boo boo kitties that live in the projects, my boo boo kitties who live in a brownstone, my boo boo kitties who live in an apartment complex, but you are struggling financially and you don't have the financial means to create aesthetically pleasing content or even an aesthetically pleasing setting. So I show you exactly how to do so on a budget. And I'm going to be showing you how to create that Coco Chanel Decor coffee table look. And boo boo kitties, you know that I put y'all on all the way because you're getting me tight. Make sure you subscribe to the channel, boo boo kitties, because every day I'm uploading, every day. We're to the New Year's, you heard? All right, so boom. Little guys to style is this is just so adorable. It's like these little mini books, and it is a fraction of the price. This is only $41.99 on Amazon. And boo boo kitties, I'm not even gonna hold y'all. I'm kind of rushing to do this upload, so I left these pictures, screenshots within the video just in case I don't get to put the link down below, but I will do so later on. I promise later on today I'll do so, but I just want to get this upload out of the way. So you can get these very cute Coco Chanel, designer, Prada, Dior, Gucci books on a budget, because the original prices are like close to $200, and this is just a fraction of the price. This is so cute for your coffee table decor. And you can grab these right on Amazon. And this is just perfect for like if you want to shoot or anything like that, and just kind of to create that aesthetically pleasing background. And next we have this vase, this flower vase. And I love that it's kind of like an iridescent kind of look to it, as you can see here. And I just absolutely love this. And as you can see, the price. And for these faux flowers, you know, I was going to get a real bouquet of flowers, but I was like, I gotta stick to the message of my video. So I went to the dollar store and got this beautiful faux bouquet of flowers for $3.99, because just in case you can't afford to get a bouquet of flowers, which may be out of your budget range, that is okay. And here you have it, boo boo kitties, your Chanel Decor coffee table books on a budget on Amazon and from the dollar store. Make sure that you subscribe to my channel. Make sure that you leave a like and a comment, and I'm gonna see my boo boo kitties in the next video. And don't forget to go over to my website, hermelaninpocketcameracoach.me, so that you can purchase your manifestation to monetization planner. Okay, we are speaking things into existence. We are using the power of the tongue with action, with intention, with purpose, with a dedicated, detailed, meticulous plan. And you can do so with my manifestation planner. So make sure that you comment, like, and subscribe, boo boo kitties. And I'm gonna see y'all tomorrow. Gang gang, gang gang. Also, make sure that you follow me on TikTok. I'll leave all the links down below. And if I upload this video and the links are not there, boo boo kitties, I got y'all. Just give me a couple hours. Even if it's later on tonight, I got y'all, okay? I got y'all. I'm going to leave a link because every day I'm going to be going live on my TikTok, sharing business tips and just updates and just really engaging with you guys. So make sure to follow me over there. Shout out to my gang on TikTok, 33.3K. All right, boo boo kitties, I love you so much from the moon and back. Bye.